Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can scan the Snapchat code from the screenshot on your phone or your gallery. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Snapchat on your phone. After you open Snapchat, go to the Add Friend menu on the top right hand side. Then tap on the snap looking icon in the search bar and you can see some of your friends' snap code. So make sure you do have a snap code and tap on a snap code. After you do so, you can see that the friend which has sent you the snap code's name will appear. Go ahead and tap on add friend and the person will be added. I'm going to give you another example. Open Snapchat on your phone, tap on the add friend on the top right hand side and tap on this snap sign over here. Then select the snap code from your device. It will automatically detect the name and the account and you can click on add friend. So just need to tap on the icon. So if the snap code is invalid, you can see that it will tell you directly. So you can tap on this and you can send a friend request to your friends. Go ahead and tap on add friend and there you go. This is how you can scan a Snapchat code using the screenshot and send friend request. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.